haven't come to the park, I don't know, 5, 6 weeks. Started feeding the pigeons about 3 weeks ago, though. Figured why not? I'm just sitting here otherwise. I was gonna give them names. I started recognizing them, but then I realized they had names. Jimmy. Alright, see you later. It's getting towards winter though. I imagine they'll be leaving soon. But, you know, we've been having a good time, me and them. Give and take, give and take. Cassandra, looking good. Love your wings. But yeah, things are good. In general, the park, sorry. Alright. But, yeah, it's a quiet time, peaceful time.